If you're thinking about buying a house in Staten Island, the first question you're probably asking is, when's the best time to buy? Timing feels important, and in some ways it is, but the real answer may surprise you. I'm Ranola with the Bridge and Boro Team at Matthias Real Estate. I work with buyers across Staten Island and South Brooklyn, and today I will walk you through what you need to know about timing your purchase here in Staten Island. So let's start with the basics. The market runs in cycles, right? Like anything else. Spring and early summer usually see more listings come online, so that gives you the most options to choose from, but it also means more competition. More buyers are out and bidding wars are more likely, of course, depending on pricing and whatnot. But if you want selection, spring is your season. Fall can actually be an underrated time to buy. Fewer buyers are active after summer, but many sellers are still motivated to close before the end of the year. That combination can give you more leverage in negotiations. Winter is, of course, the quietest season. Fewer listings, yes, but also fewer buyers. That can mean less competition, and sellers who are on the market are often serious about making a deal. So here's the bigger truth. The best time to buy a house in Staten Island isn't about the calendar, it's about when you're financially ready, when you find a home that fits your needs, and when you can move forward with confidence. The right opportunity can pop up any time of the year, and buyers who are prepared are the ones who win. So is there a best time to buy? Seasonality matters, but being prepared matters much more. Every situation is unique, of course, so before you take your next step, first step, any step, get the right local insight. Reach out to me, Ranola. Let's start your journey together.